मैं परिचय कराना चाहूंगा श्री केंद्र किशोर कौर जी का। भारतीय सेना के अभिन्न हिस्से के रूप में इन्होंने 30 वर्षों से अधिक समय भारतीय सेना को दिया है। इसके बाद यूएस में सक्रिय राजनीति में पिछले 30 वर्षों से बहुत करीब से यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की राजनीति में सक्रिय रहे हैं। अभी इनके मार्गदर्शन पर चलकर हम भारत को समृद्ध बनाने के लिए कार्यरत हैं। मैं चाहूंगा एक बार स्वीकार
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Is this a good language to speak English? Is that okay with everybody here? Okay, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the person who deserves this more than the founder, that's me, is Hariom and his team.
Yes.
So I would request all of you to stand up because I know what it takes to put an event like this together. It's a global host committee, get together, Hariom and his team. Great leadership. Yesterday, the opening speech I would like to give, because in the closing, when everybody speaks, I requested Hariom, I would like to capture everybody's views and be the closing speaker. But he also made me the opening speaker. But the opening speaker, I only want to tell one thing which I learned in 7 years of my Indian Navy. When the going is tough, the tough kept going. Right, Kumara Madhusudan? And the second thing I learned in 63 years of my life, if you have a vision, there are two choices you have in life. Hariom, I didn't tell you this yesterday. Hariom, please pay attention to what I'm speaking now. When you have a vision in life which comes from inside, visions come from inside, they don't come from outside. And if you believe in a vision, there are only two kinds of people in this world who can implement that vision. One is to be a politician. A politician has to play games within a room of 500 elected officials. And the second person is to be a leader. A leader stands in the middle of a road with a vision, that this is what I believe in, and then people start following you one by one by one by one. And that is what Hariom has just started today. Give a big round of applause to Hariom because of this leadership that he has taken over in a country which it is easy to bring in $1 trillion. The easiest country to bring in $1 trillion. I know that. Because I spent 33 years of my life abroad and 30 years in India. So I have the experience of both sides. I'm the founder of JNPT Port. I served 7 years in Indian Navy. The best jobs of India, I had it from NIT Water Engineering to Indian Navy and as